Hey everyone, this is Jamie with Golfergeeks. Hi, how's everyone doing? So today I have another unboxing video. Kind of got a surprise in the mail today, but let me show you. So this is a Swingshot, as you can read here. And what it is, it's a camera. You kind of stick it in the ground, and what you can do is video yourself pretty much doing anything. I'm going to use it for golf because that's kind of what I do. So let's go ahead and open it up and unbox it and see what's going on here. So I spotted this thing a while back somewhere, and it just looked cool as heck. So here is the real quick view here, and you have a guy golfing. And if we turn it to this side, you can see golf, baseball, but basically anywhere. If you can see here, they got a little peg. You can stick it in the ground, so you can just go ahead and do what you have to do. It is compatible right now with an iPhone. They have the Android app coming, so that will be a good thing for Android users. And let me open this thing up real quick. Sorry, I don't have my Bowie knife. I'll just use scissors. Let's see. That worked. It worked just fine. Let me be careful here. This thing is electronics, so it's going to be a little bit delicate. And there's the head right there. And here is the rest of the device, if I can get it out of the box. Excuse that if that gets a little too loud, please. Well, it's not coming out easily, so I'm just going to remove some contents. And here's two parts of the pole here. Getting towards the business in there. Got some instructions put aside. Oh, this is heavy. So what's in here? Okay, got another little piece there. USB cable. Like an adapter. Here's the spike to stick it in the ground there. Looks like some type of little, well, it's another plug adapter, it seems. Yet another, looks like a charging adapter or something. And the battery. Some little memory cards there. And a recharging station. Very nice. Okay, so that's it for the box. And everything out of there. Let's see here. I might as well just maybe construct it for you right here. So this obviously goes here, and you can see there's a little port there for charging, timer. This thing can be operated by remote control with your phone. I know that much. Okay, so that's the first part. Let's see here. I'm going to open this whole thing up for you and just put it together really quickly because it looks like it goes together. Kind of a saran wrap type deal. This is it's kind of like PVC. And we've got, looks like a little adapter here. I don't want to waste too much time pulling the plastic off. Let me just undo this one here. Get that stuff out of the way. Sorry. Get that in, open. Get this in, open. Looks like both ends are identical, so it can go either way. So we get that screwed in. You can see I'm just constructing it from this picture right here. But it's pretty darn intuitive from what I can see so far. Here's my big metal spike. So here's our spike. So this goes together really easily. I'm going to pull this off. So we've got the camera in here. This is actually a microphone right here. Got a little Wi-Fi thing there. And just let me show you the whole thing constructed. Alright, so pretty cool. I can't wait to get this thing a whole lot of use. That's it. So I will have a link below this video to the page on my website where I have the review of this thing. And I'll be documenting some of the clubs I'm testing using this and some of the other accessories and whatnot that I test using. In fact, I'll be using this and putting a lot of work into it. So anyway, that's it. Alright guys, so this is the Swingshot. The company's out of New Jersey. I spoke with the owner a couple weeks ago, and sounds like really good guys. It's two guys who own the company, started from scratch. And so that's all I have for now. And I will get back to you with a full review and my recommendation or not recommendation. Thanks.